So guys, welcome to my new channel Magical Stroke. So today we are going to learn how to make a beautiful portrait with beautiful tree. Do subscribe my new channel and hit the like button and please do share. So guys, all you need is a sheet of paper, oil pastels, tissue paper, black paint, brush, correction pen, a bunch of cotton buds and white paint. I'm going to color the opposite side of the marking. And just leave the middle portion blank without coloring. Now I'm going to take deep blue and color it with opposite side. In similar way, I'm going to take black color and color it as same as the other two colors. Now take tissue paper and fold as I am folding it. The side you are merging the color should be thick enough so that it merges easily. Now start to merge the colors. So I have done the same blending with the other side too. Now take black paint and a brush and start doing landscape as I am showing it. The paint should be thick enough while painting on the oil pastel. In similar way, do the other side too. As you can see, I have done the same thing in the opposite side too. So, let's make a tree now. You can use black oil pastel too. Now the branches. So as you can see, I have done the branches and the tree. So let's give final effect for that. I'm using a bunch of cotton buds with white paint and giving a blossom look. You can use any color which you like. I'm using white as it gives more realistic flowers. You can use multicolor also to this. So this is finished. Next, to make it more realistic, I'm going to use black oil pastel and give the reflection effect. for both landscape as well as the tree. I'm going to use my finger to smudge it. Now I'm going to make for tree. To make it more beautiful, I'm going to use whitener and show flowers falling.
Pause ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಆಯಿತು.
So here is the beautiful landscape with beautiful tree.